Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the four most popular web browsers on the Xiaomi 12C. So to start, Microsoft Edge, click on the taskbar icon, choose the In Private and add a tab. That's it. The next one is Opera. Like before, click the taskbar icon, switch to the Private and add a tab. The next one, Google Chrome. In this case you have to click the arrow icon or three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. And the last one, Firefox. From the welcome screen, just click here on this arrow mask and that's it. But if you have any tab opened, tap on the taskbar icon, arrow mask and private. And now all of your history, the learned words on the keywords, completed forms, cache files will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment and goodbye.